Good day everyone, I am from ABS support team. Today I will showcase how to use the User Footprint Tracker. The User Footprint Tracker can be accessed from the home page at the Management section. Here you can choose the user that you wish to track. We will be using User Training 2 Manager as the example. Here you can choose the starting date and the ending date. This section is for you to enter a keyword to be able to find what you are looking for. We will use change room as an example and click search. It will not be entirely accurate if you type 2 words as it is recognized separately. Now we will search using one keyword. Every log that has the word reverse in it will appear. If you want a more detailed report, you can click the eye here that will show you the audit trail. Thank you, and I hope you've learned something from this tutorial video.